What is viscosity? What is viscous drag? Okay. The frictional effect between different layers of a flowing fluid is described in terms of viscosity of the fluid. Viscosity measures how much force is required to slide one layer of liquid over another layer of the liquid. Substances that do not flow easily, such as thick tar and honey etc., have large coefficients of viscosity, usually denoted by Greek letter eta. Substances that do substances which flow easily like air, water, have small coefficient of viscosity. Since liquid and gases have non-zero coefficient of viscosity, a force is required if an object is to be moved through them. Even small viscosity of the air causes a large retarding force on a car as it travels at high speed. If you stick out of your hand out of the window of a fast moving car, you can easily recognize the considerable force has to be exerted on your hand to move through the air. That there are typical example of the following fact. An object moving through a fluid experiences a large retarding force called a drag force. The drag force increases as the speed of the object increases. Even in the small cases, the exact value of the drag force is too difficult to calculate. The case of a sphere, however, in the case of a sphere moving through a fluid is of great importance. Which scientist measures a drag force? Stokes, and it can be represented by Stokes' law. What is Stokes' law? Okay. The drag force F on a sphere of radius r moving slowly with velocity with speed v through a fluid of viscosity eta is given by Stokes' law as under F is equal to 6 pi eta rv. At very high speed, the force is no longer proportional to the speed. Okay, thanks.